Gross. It's like they're all getting pickles.
Yeah.
They walk around all day long with one in their hand.
They flew off because of people.
Come back.
See how far they'll run for it. Toss it as far as you can. Oh, look at him go! Look at him go! Greedy little bastards. Now put it up really close to you. Oh, this little guy's gonna get one. Good job, little buddy. Oh no, it's close! Gotta come closer!
We're still fighting over that one.
Gotta go closer! Oh. This little big guy up there on this fence over there, he's watching. He's watching real close.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm sure they'll be nice.
I'm not scared of you.
That one is. Feed you.
You did get his attention. That's intense.
Come here.
It's a big man on campus.
You got that.
I'm so different.
He has to spread his wings out to get anything. He's just showing off. He's not gonna come closer.
I'm gonna catch it though.
Oh, here comes another car.
I'm gonna have any more bread.
Don't have any more bed.
I'm gonna eat hot dog.
He's still off again.
You think we eat the hot dog?
Yeah, he'll eat the hot dog. He's a seagull. Oh, good job.
Wow, they're doing well over there.
See, they'll eat the hot dog, too. They don't really eat anything.
That's cool.
Turds is what they are. Turds. Toss it to the seagull. Toss like half the thing to the seagull.
Yeah.
Ooh, tasty.
Yeah.
Big. They're so gross.
I think you'll eat that.
Yeah, I'll eat it. I'll choke it down.
That's the catch. Oh, snap.
You ran off with it?